Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create classroom assessment with Google Forms so easily. So first you can open the Google Chrome and you can select Forms. Just click on the grid icon at the top right and scroll down. You can find Form, just click on it and it appears like this. You are just going to enter the title and enter the description. So for make it easier, you have to prepare the material in advance, starting from the title, description, and question. You can write in notes like this, or you are just write in Google Docs. So just copy paste to Google Forms and copy paste for the description. So to make it easier, right, you can make a new page. Just click on the add section. So you can add a subtitle or first. Usually in classroom assessment there are a multiple choice question and essay question. So this, and you're just going to add the question, right? Add the description and add the question. So just copy paste for the first question for multiple choice. So it's multiple choice, you can select the multiple choice for the answer option. So so on. So do as before until the end of the equation, and you can create a new page for the essay equation. Just click on the section and add the essay. Add the description and add the question. So for the essay, you can select the short answer like this, and you can preview like this and next for the next page, right? You can go to setting and you can adjust for the option right here, and you can see for the responses. Just click on responses and link to see it, right? To share the link, you can click send and select link, make it shorten, and just copy and share to anyone, right? That's how you can create the classroom assessment. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.